Your touch is a secret I can't decode. Electric sparks in the shadows we hold. Your breath, it lingers like a velvet thread, pulling me deeper where the wilds don't sit. Skin on skin, the rhythm sways, lost in the heat, the dark obeys. Velvet shadows where we collide, whisper my name, let the night decide. Velvet shadows, no need to hide. This love's a flame, it burns inside. Candlelight flickers, it dances for us. The room is alive with the taste of trust. Your lips are fire, they brand my soul. Every moment losing control. Pulse is heavy, the air's like wine.